Hi, today we are going to see about a distortionless line. What is distortionless line? There is no distortion with the frequency and phase. And that is called distortionless line. The simplified meaning is there is no loss in the frequency and phase. And then propagation constant. It is called gamma. Formula is it gamma equals to root of r plus j omega l g plus j omega c, and we can write gamma equals to root of z equals to z dot y. Z is nothing but r plus j omega l, y equals to g plus j omega c. We will write it omega root into this side. We will get it omega square equals to r plus j omega l into g plus j omega c. Afterwards, we want to make a arrangement of r into this multiplication, this r into this, and then we want to make multiplication over it. Then we will get it like omega square equals to rg plus j r omega c plus j omega lg plus omega square j omega whole square lc. We will make real and imaginary omega square equals to rg plus j omega rc plus lg plus minus omega square lc omega. Then finally we will get it like it is real part and it is imaginary part. Okay, omega square equals to rg minus omega square l c, and it is imaginary is called j omega whole of rc plus lg. And then we have a certain condition for it. It is r divided by g equals to l divided by c. We will rearrange it like rc equals to lg and omega square equals to rg minus omega square lc plus j omega rc plus rc. We will substitute this lg into rc so that we get rc plus rc, so that 2 rc is been there, so that 2 j omega rc, and we have rc equals to lg equals to root of rc lg, so that we will substitute over it. We will get finally this equation omega equals to root of rg plus this is the equation omega square r root of rg plus it is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab format, so that we will simplify with the a plus b whole squares. Then we will get it. Then omega we will cancel the squares, and then we know that omega equals to alpha plus j beta, and then gamma equals to root of rg plus j omega root of lc, alpha equals to root of rg, and then beta equals to omega root of lc. We have a condition like l is greater than r, or r divided by g is greater than l divided by c. That indicates r is greater than l. Then we have a very high frequency like radio cannot be satisfied. Very high frequency like radios cannot be satisfied means we have radio frequencies that cannot be satisfied in this condition and cannot be satisfied. And when we have inductance will be increased, then the distortion lines will be distortionless line will be increased. So we will considering this. Thank you.